Want to generate a QR code for your Google Drive files in Unicode? Maybe you need to share a document, a presentation, or even a video file with a simple scan. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step, and I'll also cover some critical things you need to know about Unicode before using it. Stick around because at the end, I'll share an exclusive extended free trial link, plus some even better alternatives depending on your needs. First, log in to your Unicode account. If you don't have one, you'll need to sign up. Once inside, go to the dashboard and select Create QR Code. Unicode gives you different QR code types, but for Google Drive files, select Website URL since Drive links are web-based. Next, open your Google Drive, find the file you want to share, right-click, and select Get Link. Make sure the sharing settings are correct, either restricted, only available to certain users, or open to anyone with the link. Copy the URL and paste it into Unicode's QR code generator. Now, Unicode lets you customize the QR code's design. You can change the colors, add a logo, or modify the frame. If branding matters to you, this is a useful feature, but keep in mind that heavy customization can sometimes reduce scan reliability. After finalizing your design, click Generate. Unicode will create your QR code instantly, and you can download it in various formats like PNG, SVG, or even EPS if you need it for high-quality printing. One thing to note, Unicode does have good tracking and analytics features, but these are locked behind paid plans. If you just need a quick QR code without analytics, free tools like QR Code Monkey or Google's own URL shortener might work just as well. If you need a QR code for business purposes, like marketing campaigns, product packaging, or event promotions, Unicode is solid, but it's not always the best. Some competitors offer better customization, dynamic QR codes, and even deeper tracking without as many paywalls. That's why I've added an exclusive extended free trial to Unicode, but I've also listed some better alternatives below that could be a better fit depending on your needs. Just check the first link in the description to get the best free trial and some extra perks only available to our viewers. See you in the next one.